Kopi Luwak, is it worth the hype? The truth about benefits of Kopi Luwak everybody should know. There are different kinds of coffee all over the globe. Each continent, country, even city has its favorite creation of coffee. That's why everyone so loves this beverage. It's versatile, and in all forms, it just screams excellence. Kopi Luwak, or civet coffee, is known as the most expensive coffee in the world. Coffee enthusiasts appreciate it, but what good does it do for you? What is Kopi Luwak coffee? Kopi Luwak originated in the Pangalengan highlands of West Java, Indonesia, the known birthplace of this popular coffee. The coffee Kopi Luwak is considered to be one of the most exclusive and pricey coffees in the world. What makes Kopi Luwak different? The first is that a civet only eats the best and ripest coffee fruits. Assuming this, then that would mean that each batch of Kopi Luwak is the best out of the best among many coffee cherries. The second is that the coffee beans ferment in the civet's stomach. This results in a different flavor. Once roasted, the beans are ground in a mortar for 20 minutes. How is Kopi Luwak farmed? In Indonesia, Kopi Luwak is a coffee that is made from partially digested coffee beans that a civet eats and excretes. Farmers specifically seek civet droppings, and the feces are collected with the coffee beans for further processing and cleaning. How does Kopi Luwak taste? Not only is Kopi Luwak not bitter, but it also has an intense aroma. This coffee has a complex flavor profile that combines earthy sweetness with mild chocolate notes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more videos from us.